Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, in this chapter, in this first chapter, we will discuss about the interconnection of carbohydrates. Secondly, proteins, and third ones is the lipids. This one is the cycle of lipid metabolism complete, and this is the carbohydrates metabolism, which is end at acetyl coenzyme, and third one is the protein, which is the formation of alpha ketoglutarate. Basically these are the three types of biomolecules: proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. Lipids are basically the fats. First of all, we will discuss the cycle of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, the first step is glucose formation and glycogen. This one is the step is in which glucogenesis is occur, and this step is gluconeogenesis occur, the formation of glucose 6 phosphate, and at the end the full glucose cycle is occur, and formation of 2 pyruvate and the formation of 2 NADH occur, and in the last step the formation end product is acetyl coenzyme A and 2 NADH. NADH in the carbohydrate formation. Then secondly, the protein synthesis, proteolysis occur. Proteolysis means the breakdown of proteins. The breakdown of proteins, amino acids formation. This sign indicates that this reaction is irreversible. Means the amino acids again converted into proteins, and proteins are again converted into amino acids. The full cycle is go on and continue, and the formation is succinyl coenzyme A and fumarate formed. This is the, and then again the carbohydrates acetyl coenzyme A, this reaction fumarate succinyl coenzyme A and fumarate. This step is indicated mixed with carbohydrates metabolism. This is called acetyl coenzyme A. एंड लिपिड्स की जब हम बात करते हैं लिपिड्स के साइकिल की, then the formation of glycerol and fatty acids. Then this fatty acids fatty acid oxidation occur, fatty acid synthesis, then acetyl coenzyme A plus NADH is necessary either in the formation of carbohydrates this there, and the proteins. Okay, then acetyl coenzyme A is formed here, and ketogenesis occurs, means ketolysis occurs, ketone bodies and the end is formed, ketone acetoacetate 3-hydroxybutyrate form. This one acetyl coenzyme A is mixed with the carbohydrate cycle to acetyl coenzyme A. This means all the three cycles are mixed, either lipid, either carbohydrate, either protein, and this acetyl coenzyme A is then enter into citric acid cycle. This citric acid cycle is this when the formation of oxaloacetate is converted into citrate. This acetyl coenzyme A is there. This is the enzyme which help in the formation of oxaloacetate into citrate. This citrate is converted into isocitrate in the presence of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase, which is converted into alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha glutarate is again converted into succinyl coenzyme A, which is occur in the presence of enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Nase means enzyme. Okay, then succinyl coenzyme synthesis, this enzyme is here which help in the formation of succinate in the presence of enzyme succinate dehydrogenase formed fumarate in the presence of enzyme fumarate, this one. and then formed the malate then formed xyloacetate in the presence of this one acetyl coenzyme A, जो हमें मिला था कार्बोहाइड्रेट की ग्लाइकोलाइसिस से ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस से. दिस वन इज द एंड प्रोडक्ट. ये हम नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में भी इंशाल्लाह इसकी बात कर लेंगे कि हमने इसको फुल साइकिल को हम कैसे करेंगे. दिस वाज the shortcut here कि acetyl coenzyme is the end product of this one with this one protein, and this one is the lipid which is the here acetyl coenzyme A. This one is the linked metabolic pathways are linked, and here it enter into citric acid cycle. So the complete cycle is ended into citric acid cycle then again into further involved in the reactions, different metabolic reactions which occur in the body. So all the cycles of carbohydrate, either protein and either lipids are interconnected as this path, and this one is introduced in there, it point this here, and the complete citric acid cycle is again started. Thank you so much.